From folding to rotating, extending, and expanding, here are 10 pieces of furniture that transform. Number 10. Patio, the wall bed revolving bookcase with table. This premium revolving bookcase wall bed is designed and manufactured in Italy and is a complete package. It includes a mattress and a dining table that can hide away. It would be a challenge to avoid being impressed by this unique wall bed. The shelf can blend into a library, cabinetry, or be a bookshelf all on its own. With a few simple twists and turns, your books and possessions are hidden away, and you are ready to lower your bed for a good night's sleep. Its high-quality design and engineering is evident in this beautiful revolving bed. The large dinner table smoothly conceals itself when not needed, and the shelving has plenty of vertical storage to keep your home organized. This Italian rotating wall bed is a bedroom, dining room, and vertical storage unit, all combined into an easy and neat package. Number 9. Flexible Love, a nature-inspired building structure. Though you may believe that cardboard furniture should remain a last resort for college kids only, there are plenty of designers out there experimenting with this eco-friendly alternative to traditional construction materials. Much of the cardboard furniture we've seen tends to play up the structured lines of the ordinary cardboard box, so it's the sinuous curves of this line that draws our attention. Flexible Love may seem like a strange name for a line of seating, but the concept and the execution are actually quite appealing. These pieces are made from recycled paper and wood waste, and utilize an accordion-like honeycomb to create an expandable seating area. A simple tug on each end stretches the piece to accommodate more guests, making it the ideal seating option for a small space. Best of all, it doesn't really look like it's made of cardboard, an important design element for many of us looking to incorporate a cardboard piece into an existing home. Number 8. The Junior Giant Table. The Junior Giant Table is exactly that, a junior console that transforms into a giant table. This is a smart console that opens up, extends, and turns into a giant table with leaflets. As a small console or work desk, it is unobtrusive yet a pleasure to look at. The console splits in half to reveal a chassis that extends out to an extra 72.4 inches. Up to 4 18-inch leaflets can be placed to make this table as little or as giant as you like. A great idea for someone who likes to entertain and needs extra space for their guests. Or turn it into an extra large workspace for conference meetings. Whatever you choose to use this unit for, it will expand the space in your home through the Junior Giant's multifunctional design. The support leg is able to move a few feet in either direction as a small table, while providing extra support as a large table to host a true feast. Number 7. The X100 Smart Living Wall Unit with TV Stand. Created by Marco Pozzoli and Stefano Curiani. This project was designed in partnership with Firmar Mobili. It can lodge a transformable table, mini or mini long, and 6 folding chairs. It is a self-standing wall unit with optional LED lighting. It has an adjustable TV rack supporting TVs up to 52 inches, and the wall unit can be combined with the shelving unit. Number 6. The Murphy Sofa Double Wall Bed Couch. Are you looking for a compact Murphy bed sofa for a den or small room? The Murphy Sofa Double was designed to give you a sofa wall bed combination in a smaller space. Easy transition from a living room to a bedroom by simply folding up the wall bed to sit on your sofa. There's an impressive amount of built-in storage in the sofa, and there's even enough clearance to leave a coffee table below the bed at night. This system gives you a very efficient use of your space and allows you for a fast transition from media living room to a bedroom with all the benefits of built-in storage. It only takes a few seconds to go from one to the other. The double wall bed couch system is great for smaller rooms, giving you a compact sofa and built-in storage combined with a double-sized Murphy bed. This system can also work well with slightly under-height ceilings. If you have no closet in your den, consider having ample storage in your sofa for some essentials. Best of all, it's easy to use and looks beautiful with its clean lines and polished finish. Number 5. The Florida 2 Expandable Table. Take a look at this table, maybe a little heavy for a coffee table with just a hint of a seam across the middle to give away the secrets inside. This unusual table transforms from a small coffee table to a large table that can seat 6. It also adjusts in height and has a modern, contemporary look and feel. This simple but elegant design is surprisingly efficient as all the leaves fit inside. Number 4. Cube Wall Shelves. This modular color corner bookcase system brightens up your room while providing useful storage. Shaped like mini steps with included color back panels that provide just a little pop of color without being too loud. The clean lines and round corners along with the sturdy lightweight components make it an ideal candidate for homes with children or in areas where you might have to move the shelf. With plenty of room for your books and collectibles, the color corner shelf is a fun and convenient way to keep clutter at bay. You can place your books in the cube units and accentuate the top with a plant or photograph. Its modular design proves that storing your books and organizing does not have to be boring. This bookcase solution is ideal for when you crave storage space that is stylish too. Number 3. The Amore Revolving TV Murphy Bed. This is a functional, eye-catching space solution, combining a media center and bookshelves that can rotate 180 degrees and opens to a queen bed. You can use a 32-inch TV, or larger if you have a thin bezel, and it will rotate perfectly and hide away when you unveil the hidden bed. The sides of the revolving Murphy bed are a pair of compact cupboards. A custom mattress is included with every order. LED light fixtures are included in this premium Italian-built product. The clever rotation system balances the whole shelving and TV cabinet, allowing you to rotate smoothly while keeping everything connected during its rotation. Number 2. The 4x4 Extended Table. This table presents an exclusive opening system. The table changes in its shape and its outlook because of the extensions that, once open, cross the veins of the top and give an elegant leitmotif. This extending dining table is designed by Giulio Manzoni for Italian brand Ozio, which is well known for offering unique transformable furniture. Number 1. The Rossi Evolution Table. We saved the best for last with this remote-controlled expanding and retracting table. Created in 2015 by Rossi Evolution out of San Francisco, California. This table features self-enclosed leaves that are easily expanded using a wireless remote. It's designed to accommodate 12 place settings or more. Imagine accidentally clicking the button when the table is set and there are guests. Alright you guys, let us know in the comments below which furniture design featured here today was your favorite.
Hey guys, this is Amber and Alex from Mind's Eye Design. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell us in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our latest tech. Thank you for watching.